Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your horn is not working. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now this is a 2014 model and there was a facelift in 2015, but I'm pretty sure that the location of fuses will be the same. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in a main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove this cover, you have a black tab here on top. You just want to press it and push up. Once you remove it, on the back side you will have a small fuse diagram, and this red piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Okay, now the horn fuse, it's a fuse number F20, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located in the upper left corner, and the relay will be in the bottom right corner. This is the horn relay. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, then you can try replacing it with the relay of the same kind. I think this one should be the same, and see if that helps. If it does, just get a new relay. Now in case both the fuse and the relay are good, next thing I would check, second most common reason for horn not working, is the airbag clock spring. So I would first look into that, and then I would look into the wiring, switch and the horn itself. But like I said, first things first, check the fuse and the relay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.